Yeah. Following previous sets were volunteers in the Motion Picture Association America.
I met my father for the first time when I was 28 years old. When I had children, my children would not know who their father was. Yeah, Chris Gardner was doing his best. We don't need to. You don't need one? Maybe next quarter. It's possible. But his best wasn't enough. Man, I got two questions for you. What do you do and how do you do it?
I'm a stockbroker.
Stockbroker? Oh. Hey, I'm gonna let you hang on to my car for the weekend, but I need it back for Monday. Feed the meter.
I need the rent. I can't wait anymore. I need you out of here in the morning.
You gotta trust me, all right?
I trust you.
Because I'm getting a better job.
Let me see if I can find you an application for an internship.
Did Mom leave because of me?
Mom left because of Mom, and you didn't have anything to do with that. There's no salary. No, I was not aware of that. My circumstances have changed some.
Dad, where are we going?
I don't know. Last year we had an intern score of 90% on the written exam. He wasn't chosen. It's not a simple pass-fail. You're not quitting on us yet, are you?
Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. Not even me. All right?
Alright.
Jay says you're pretty determined.
Where are you going? Look that off me thumb! I'm in a competitive internship at Dean Witter.
He said you're smart.
This is impossible. I can do it.
No, you can't. No one can.
Columbia Pictures presents
Good taco.
What's This?
You got a dream, you got to protect it. People can't do something themselves. They want to tell you you can't do it. You want something,
The
go
Pursuit
get
of
it.
Happiness.
Period.
Following previous sets were volunteers in the Motion Picture Association America.
Listen to me. Listen here. If you don't vote, you don't matter. And then you're just as ignorant as them in the city say you are. Why do they still have that nickel out your pocket saying thank you, please?
Jack, excuse his felonies. Jesus Christ, come down off the cross.
It's up to you to nail up any bastard gets between you and the roads and the bridges and the schools and the food you need. You give me the hammer and I'll do it. Nail 'em up. Nail 'em up. Nail 'em up. Tell you what I see. I see a man that had the guts, the buck, the powers to be. I see Miller Starr, the next governor of the great state of Louisiana. These are some powerful people that you talk about taking money from. They ain't the power. Power's in the hands of the powerless. Those hands handed it to me. Certain features of your public service came to my attention. Somebody dug something up, huh? In the dirt.
Jack, what are you doing for that man?
That man.
Whatever it is, don't.
I need Judge Irwin with me. No man has ever been able to intimidate me. There is a line between what is acceptable and what is not. Now, the governor has stepped over that line using means that are inappropriate. What was the price to pay for everything we do? Bastards are pounding at my gate. Am I alone in there? I don't know why I work for you, but ain't for
Yeah.
love or money. Boy, you work for me, because I'm the way I am, and you the way you are. And that's just an arrangement founded in the my justice. Now they want to ruin me, because they want to ruin you. And I won't let them!
Following previous actor voices in the motion picture Association America.
The most awesome force in the universe, the most powerful device ever created, is now in the hands of one man. Cool.
You wanted a universal remote. That remote controls your universe. For me to do those documents, it's gonna take me months.
You better get started.
Wow, I got a big headache. You do?
So I can re-experience
Any part of my life I want to.
I heard a song playing on the radio this morning.
We have a song?
The song that was playing during our first kiss.
What the hell is our song?
Oh
my God. Get it? That's my boy. Later is playing during our first juicy kiss. You look beautiful in that pink sweater.
Honey, you remember what I was wearing?
I love you.
I love you too, honey.
Yeah. Skipping the shower and skipping getting dressed. That looks sexy. I like that.
Have you been drinking, Daddy?
the remote.
Making up. Click it. Is that like parents? They're making you. Get me out of here!
Takes control.
This thing's broken. It's fast forward on its own. What else did I miss?
Adam Sandler.
You look a little pale there, pal.
Let me fix that.
Don't get the Hulk angry. You won't like him when he's angry.
Click.
Plants a cat?
Yeah, but your kid stinks.
Ah. A regular Derek Jeter right there.
Maybe not time.
Soon to go into production. Angels and Demons. From the Dan Brown novel.
By the classification rating administration, www.filmratings.com.